Let me show you how to add a user Flair on Reddit. Now there's two types of Flair. One is a Flair for your post, the other is for user. So basically inside different subreddits, there's like different user Flair. Now you can only add a user Flair on a subreddit which has that opportunity or that access to it. So let's say I want to add a user Flair, I need to go inside a subreddit. So on the search, I'm gonna go inside the subreddit called Brawl Stars because it allows me to add a user Flair. Now remember, you need to be part of that Reddit group. So I'm already part of the Brawl Star community, as it says joined at the top right. So you need to join like a subreddit. Once you join a subreddit, at the top right of the subreddit, you will see a three dot. Click on it and you will see change user Flair option. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, it'll show you multiple user Flairs. You can click on any one you like and click on save at the top right. And just like that, you just added a user Flair of like a Reddit community. Now, remember, if you click on the three dot and you don't see a Flair, that means that Reddit does not have access to it. So you can't do anything. So that's how we guys can add a user Flair on Reddit. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.